Paying for the leads that you don't know from Adam versus nurturing the ones that you already have. What? You need leads? Hi, Krista Mashore again. Glad to have you back for just these few moments of time, and I appreciate you spending your time with me. Let me tell you a story. A few months back, I took a poll of agents across the country so I knew what I should focus on my upcoming months of my coaching career and teaching. And guess what? I was shocked with the results. Everyone across the board said they wanted more lead generating tips. I totally get it. We all want leads. We all want to learn lead generating strategies. And if you've been watching these videos, I've given you a ton of ways to generate massive amounts of leads that are totally out of the box and different than what you've been taught normally. And they're very effective. However, this brings me to my next point. Are you paying for leads and trying to get people that don't even know you to work with you? And are you forgetting the people that are right in front of you that do? Meaning, it's much easier to cultivate and turn a lead that already knows you and likes you and trusts you into an actual client than someone you've never met before. Are you forgetting about the one best lead generating machine that you already have in front of you? That's you. What about your database? What about your past clients? What about all of your friends and family? What about the people that you see at the gym or the parents that your kids are going to sporting events with? I can go on and on here about how many people that you already have a personal relationship and connection with. Are you reminding them that you're in real estate? Are you giving them value and giving them information? Are you being the trusted resource of information regarding anything and everything that has to do with real estate, lending, and your community in which you live? If you cannot answer this question with 100% certainty and say yes to me, then you need to stop paying for leads. That you need to focus on the ones that are right in front of you, that are right at your fingertips. I don't mean by sending Christmas cards or recipe cards on your boring traditional newsletter that everyone's just throwing away. I mean do it in a way that they can't help but notice and remember you. Everyone loves real estate, and they always see you and they ask questions like, what's the market like? Is it going up or is it going down? Do you think we're going to have a crash? Are interest rates going to go up? I have to tell you, this is a funny story, and it's so funny that it almost doesn't seem true. It's comical. But recently, I spoke as the opening speaker at a loan conference. Picture this. I'm in a room full of hundreds of loan officers. They're the ones who should know more about rates than I do, correct? Well, before I get started, the first question they asked was, do you think interest rates are going up or down? It was perfect because I just laughed and I replied, well, if you're asking me this question and you're lenders, don't you think your community wants to know the same thing too? It was the perfect segue into my presentation, which was all about being the go-to expert and making sure that your community knows everything about you, right? That you're that go-to person. Nurture the clients and leads that you already have sitting right in your email box, your past clients and people that you see all the time. Get their information and be the resource who constantly is educating them about the questions that they already have. That's the best lead generating tool ever, and trust me, you'll close a lot more of them because they already know you. And as always, thanks so much for watching Krista Mashore with Krista Mashore Coaching. And do me a favor, if you want to jumpstart your business, go to KristaMashore.com for more free tools and tips that will help you. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day. And when you do what you love, people love what you do. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.